Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is 10 items we found this week on eBay that are making over 50% profit, including one item which is making over 140% profit after shipping and eBay fees. If you're new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years and I'm also the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. The first item is a Logitech mouse which Big W is selling for $12 and it's being resold on eBay for $31. Next item is a step-down transformer from Dropship Zone, and Dropship Zone are selling these for $71.70 with free shipping, and they're being resold on eBay for $125. The next item is some party lights that Bunnings is selling for $30, and these are being resold on eBay for $64.95. Plus, this seller is also charging $12.70 extra for shipping. Next are some headphones that Bing Lee is selling for $49 and they're being resold on eBay for $89. Next is a deodorant stick that Priceline is selling for $9.79 and these are being resold on eBay for $19.95. And this seller is also charging an additional $8.50 for shipping. Next is a speaker stand that Dropship Zone is selling for $42.10 and these are being resold on eBay for $79.95. Next is a printer being sold by Big W for $49 and they're being resold on eBay for $90.89. Next are some more lights being sold by Bunnings for $17.50 and they're being resold on eBay for $39.99. Next is a kids ride-on car and Dropship Zone are selling these for $253 and they're being resold on eBay for $541. Next is a 48 pack of texters and these are being sold at Target for $8 and these are being resold on eBay for $31.49. If you want to find more items that are making greater than 50% profit on eBay, I have a free online step-by-step course. I'll put a link on the screen and below. Or if you prefer to outsource this kind of research work, I'll put a link on the screen and below to a previous week's video showing where you can get low-cost overseas virtual assistants from $1 per hour. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step-by-step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.